what's up and welcome to this Sserafim Crazy cardio dance workout. If you want more Sserafim and other K-pop workouts just like this, make sure to check out my Patreon linked right up here. Out now, we have a VIP exclusive 20-minute Sserafim dance workout mashup as well as Lisa, New Woman. Alright, let's get dancing!
Act like an angel and dress like crazy.
Oh, the girls are calling, calling. Oh, the girls are calling, calling. Oh, the girls are calling, calling. Oh, the girly girls.
Act like an angel and dress like crazy.
Yeah, 내 심장의 강림, 넌 CPR 같이 손잡아 like Pikachu. 100만 벌트 전기 is pumping. I'm all about 그 베스트 미쳐도 candy sassy. 뉴런의 자가를 강신 내 머릿속은 몸으로 같이 스스로 심판의 매일 내 속에선 적당히 미치려 했지. 몰라 유쾌한 원칙 따윈 제길 난 그런 짓지.
내 답은 이미 super crazy. Act like an angel and dress like crazy. Act like an angel and dress like crazy.
All the girls are yelling, yelling. All the girls are yelling, yelling. All the girls are yelling, yelling. All the girly girls.
All the girls are yelling, yelling. All the girls are yelling, yelling. All the girls are yelling, yelling. All the girly girls.
Back in the days 미침에 미치지 못했던 me. 더 이상의 끌림 앞에 거치진 않지.
무슨 의미 또 무슨 가치 가는 건 불가능 이젠 또 shit.
Yeah, me and my girls 우리 눈이 멀 것을 알아도 저 태양의 kiss my 스스로 심판의 매일 내 속에선 적당히 미치라 했지. 몰라 유쾌한 원칙 따윈 제길 난 그런 짓지.
이미 super crazy. Act like an angel and dress like crazy. Act like an angel and dress like crazy.
All the girls are yelling, yelling. All the girls are yelling, yelling. All the girls are yelling, yelling. All the girly girls.
All the girls are yelling, yelling. All the girls are yelling, yelling. All the girls are yelling, yelling. All the girly girls.
Awesome job, guys! Workout complete. If you want to access a lot more exclusive videos just like this, be sure to check out my Patreon linked right here. I don't know, we have a 20-minute VIP exclusive Sserafim mashup and Lisa, New Woman. Alright, thank you so much for tuning in and I will see you all next time.